This is page 28 of Coding for Beginners using Scratch, and we just finished up page 27. And so far we have this for Giga's script, and for Pico this is his script. And so we got the first two parts of a conversation going here. We say hello Giga, and then Giga responds and says hi Pico. And we want to make this conversation a little bit longer, and that's what we do starting on the top of page 28. So we're on number 8. And it says you can keep broadcasting back and forth to create a whole conversation. Give each broadcast a different name so they don't get mixed up. So for Giga, now she has just responded and said hi Pico, and she needs to let him know that she is done. So we need to go here to our events, and we need to broadcast, and now we need to create a new broadcast message, and this one is going to be called Pico1, because this is the first message being sent to him. So if you got a conversation going back and forth, the simplest way to do it is just use the names of the people and just start counting beginning with 1. So we're going to send a message to Pico saying that we are now done and it's his turn. And so now we're going to go to Pico over here, and what he's going to do is he is going to listen for Pico1. So we need to add another event here, and what he's going to do is he's going to look for when I receive, and this is separate. Now you see it's got this hump on here. You can't actually connect it. So this is a separate set of instructions waiting for a separate event to occur. And so when I receive, and what he's waiting for is Pico1. And when he does, he's going to respond, and his response is going to be, it's under looks. And so he's going to say something again. So we're pretty much doing the same thing over and over here. We're just changing what they say. And click on this, and when it turns blue, you can type on top of it and say, let's go somewhere fun. And he put a period on the end, but we're going to put an exclamation mark on the end. So it's going to say that for 2 seconds. And then we are going to broadcast another event. Okay, and we're going to tell Giga that it's her second turn. So we do a new message, and we're going to call this Giga2, and click on OK. And so then what she does is she waits for Giga2. So let's click on Giga, and when Giga gets selected, we want her to wait for a message. So we're going to when I receive, and it's already got Giga2 there for us, but if we click on the down there, you see all of them are now listed, but it puts the most recent one there. And so she is going to say, I have an idea. So we're going to pull this down and click on the word hello, and when it turns blue, type I have an idea. And she's done now, so it is now Pico's turn. And actually, we're not going to do Pico2 here. We're going to do a different broadcast, and the broadcast is going to be called, so click on the down arrow and choose new message, and the message name is going to be go to moon. Okay, and now we should be able to run this and see what happens. So we should get it going back. We should see 4 different things appearing. So first one is hello Giga, hi Pico, let's go somewhere fun, and I have an idea. And that's where it ends right now. And then she broadcasts a message that says go to the moon. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the moon. So we're going to change the background, and so we need to add a new backdrop. So we're going to click on our new backdrop button over here, and we are looking for the moon. Let's go down to the M's here, and there is moon, just like actually that is not like the one in the book, but that's the one I'm sorry, it is 2. I was looking at the wrong picture. I was looking at where it says it's like a scene change in a play, but this is the correct one. So click on moon and the blue outline appears, then click on OK. And now we've got 2 stages over here. And that brings us to the bottom of page 28. So we're going to stop this video there, and then we'll continue at the top of page 29.